and show off that I have a final on Thursday that I should be studying for. Emily here has to work at 6 o'clock in the morning, but that's Bootown dedication.
Nice pants.
Thank you. I think I should be recruited for something for these really shiny pants.
Sex.
Julia. El Duende! A little man that rides horses in the night. My mom grew up on a ranch with horses, and she used to tell me, if you keep moving, Emily, I will carry you. Thank you. Okay, awesome. I'll start over. El Duende! A little man that rides horses in the night. My mother grew up with horses, and at night she used to tell me that a little man would come and take your horses and ride him all night. In the morning, when you go to feed your horses, they'd be all sweaty from riding around all night, and their hair would be braided. That's an old Colombian folklore tale.